well, the lyrics should explain. I was sitting in my armchair, watching my TV, searching for something half decent to see. I saw myself sitting in I settled on a blockbuster action movie, and in no time at all, the hero was me. I was using strong language, chasing bad guys, all hell breaking loose before my eyes. Explosions, car chases, and fake alibis, but naked babes with tattooed thighs. Aye, 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 aye. Local varieties. Ay, 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 ay. I can be at the window and deported on mass media. At the ambassador's reception, I had to get away, so I hid behind a pyramid on Ferrero Rocher. Scoring the last minute goal against the runner. But no sooner had the referee's whistle been blown, I was sucked into a computer graphics cyclone and dumped on a sofa with a charge of telephone, telling me how easy it can be to get alone. Aye, 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 aye. I can be so as I speak when ay, 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 ay. I can be affluent up and defaulted on mass media. Actually, hang on, guys, hang on. Okay. This is a bit, wordy. There's an awful lot of lyrics in this song, so maybe we better adopt a short span of attention policy. And we'll return to this song after this message. Feeling peckish, always on the run? You need